name is Anna. I'm a copywriter here at Flowium, and today I wanted to share a few tips on how to write your Black Friday, Cyber Monday copy so you can win your customers' attention and drive as much revenue as possible. Now, before we dive in, I would like to point this out. Before you even sit down and write your Black Friday, Cyber Monday copy, the first thing you need to do, like in all things marketing, is to identify your goals and create a strategy. Your Black Friday, Cyber Monday strategy will be built around your offer because, well, that's exactly why people shop on those days. They're looking for deals. They're looking for ways to shop cheaper or else with some benefits that they otherwise wouldn't get outside of Black Friday and Cyber Monday. When I say offer, this doesn't necessarily have to mean a discount. A lot of the e-commerce brands that we work with at Flowium don't actually offer discounts. Whatever it may be, you have to remember that that has to be the centerpiece of your entire Black Friday, Cyber Monday strategy. And tip number one to write great copy that actually converts, like with any copy asset, but especially with your email copy, would be going back and try and remember what matters to your customer. Go through your interviews, through your surveys, or even just through the comments on social media or Amazon or wherever else you may find the language that they use to communicate what matters to them, what benefits they're looking for when they shop your products, their aspirations, their fears, their objections, and so on. The more you put your customer first, the more chances you have to get their attention, even in a crowded inbox. Tip number two is to remember to put your offer upfront. And that means paying a great deal of attention to your subject lines and preview text. Let's say your offer is 50% off site-wide. Now, keeping that in mind, plus what actually matters to your customer, grab the kind of subject lines and preview texts that will make it super easy to understand what that offer actually means to them and how it will benefit their life. For example, you can put 50% off site-wide in your subject line and then stock up on your favorites while you can in your preview text. And that brings me to tip number three, and that is remember to convert your features into benefits. Now, as copywriters, when we sit down and write copy, we always have to keep in mind that we are not here to sell features, we're here to sell benefits. So your Black Friday, Cyber Monday offers, whatever they may be, 50% off site-wide, free shipping, or your features. Keep in mind that's not what you're actually selling. What you're selling is how those offers will benefit their lives. What you're actually selling is how that offer will benefit their lives, how it will make their lives easier, more enjoyable, or less costly. The easiest way to convert a feature into a benefit is by using words like so that or so you can. For example, subscribe to receive our products monthly for 20% off today so that you never run out of your favorites and save big in the long run. And my final tip, tip number four, is to remember to show your personality. The reason your customers stay with you is most likely because of a positive emotion that your brand may evoke. For example, when they buy your products, they may feel like they're leading the kind of lifestyle that they always wanted. Or when they buy from your brand, they may feel like it is aligned with their principles and that makes them feel good. Or for example, that a very important element of your brand is empowerment. Your brand may be women-owned or API-owned, whatever it may be. If you manage to give your customer that feeling of belonging, that's when you get them hooked for a long, long time. So I hope this helps. Good luck with your Black Friday, Cyber Monday. And if you found this video useful, make sure that you subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so we notify you every time we come out with a new video. Thanks and bye.